Hey everybody, I'm doing an air duct cleaning inspection. Got a camera here, and in further inspection, you can see we located on this here. Look at that, a newer home, but there's a dead mouse right there. You can see we located that for the client, and they're going to get that. We're going to get that removed. See that? Dead mouse that we located. We got some dead bugs, things like that. And you can just see all that debris right there. Build up of contaminants. Journeying in there. So you can just see there's more. Just more stuff there. So that's why it's important to get this stuff done and cleaned, especially with what we're dealing with. Look at that there. All that is contaminants of, that's probably another dead mouse right there. So that's important, guys, to get your stuff clean, protected, and taken care of. Give us a call, we'll take care of you. Thanks for watching.